Testing the Q10 Drone, just under £50. Is it any good? Well, indoors it's not bad at all. It handles quite well, it's quite steady, and it's fairly easy to control. If I can do it, anyone can do it. The camera on it, as you can see, taking a shot of me, it's not bad. But be careful outside though. Don't take it out on a windy day. Don't fly it too far, as the range isn't like on an expensive drone. And don't fly it for too long, as the battery doesn't last that long. It does, however, come with 2 batteries, which are chargeable, and they don't take long to charge up. Linking it to your phone is pretty easy. After downloading the app, go to Settings, go to Wi-Fi, click on App Link, then open the app, click Start, then click on Video Camera icon, and hey ho, you're ready to go.